makasell sila og 1,000, 500, pinakadako nila is 1,200 tries a year lang. So, mabuhay ba na mo ang imuhang kapital? Dili, di ba? So, since dili tayo sila sa TikTok, since layo ang budget siya ang ilang area, so ako silang giingnan na maybe mag-start ako sa Facebook. So, ayan. Nana sila yung Facebook, una yung Facebook, and dili makabenta na sila o nagabalik sila mga earrings, na mga beadworks, and right now, makaano na sila for like a month, 10 time tinatawag na parang threshold, CBIR, before makapay ng tax. So, 250,000 and below, na-declared income, ano po yung babayaran. Bali mag-file po kami yan. So, kung income ninyo every year, hindi naman talaga abot sa amount na yun. So, wala naman po kayo babayaran. As long as mag-file na kayo. Ganun po. So, huge. Bali ba na naman? Millionaire. Million na ba, ma'am? Pero kaabot na ba ito 50? Wala pa na.
Okay, ako ang Facebook page is from last year ko siya, so na-stop man. So, paano na ako magpaibalik ang audience sa ako?
Ay, ano pa ma'am, active pa niyo Facebook. So, ang key lang kita naman is ipa-active ang inyong Facebook, i-share siya always, and i-public siya. Kasi wala po kung siguro siya nakapublic ang inyong page, kasi private siya ba, meaning, pag gusto mo sulod sa inyong page, need pa ninyo i-accept. So, dapat siya. Okay? So, if namin mag-i-commit na mga words, dapat ako siya magwaon dyan. Kay Facebook man po, nanay mga nag-ano ng mga bata, that's why inalistic na Facebook, ay feel niya, makadaot siya sa mga audience, okay? Okay na ba? Sige, isa pa. Sige, ka.
Curious naman ba? Alin mo ba sa kanila?
Is driving innovation, fueling growth, and building resilience, given this 19th day of November 2025 at Channel Santos City, Philippines. Signed by the Provincial Director and Caretaker of Department of Trade and Industry, General Santos City Satellite Office, and the lead implementer of Yaman Jensen 2025, Ethel Laxmi L. Gumanas ISO 5. Certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Arnel Iligan and Ms. Yurika Ezra Joy Rafaelas.
AI and e-commerce. Naliman ka doon, they really spend time and resources just to partner with our DTI and LGU Jensen in uplifting or enhancing aning account sector sa nano micro, small or medium enterprises. No, so we're happy and we're in behalf of our city mayor, Lolo Pacquiao, Alipay Junbi, PLDT Enterprise and Smart Group, the entire family of PLDT are always here supporting to help enhance the competitiveness ng itong mga MSME. And I hope that you have seriously taken their lectures, the tips and the techniques that they shared to us, so as that ang presence in this new world of internet or touchscreen or fingertips will be maximized by General Santos City MSMEs. Now, DTI is always there to lift up our industry, our MSME sector. The national programa, and that's precisely why when they went to us, the GUTN Santos San Sido, what will be nagtupa-tupa? Because me, coming from DTI, also my study there, yung akong italihan na, kataghanan din, di first time na akong pakitaan. So what does it manifest? What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that the future of Jensen is exciting because there are already increasing numbers of nano micro or MSMEs driving in the city of Jensen. And so by that, probably